Putting Walmart gift card money on the Cash App is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. To convert Walmart gift card to cash, consider selling or trading your Walmart gift card for cash. There are various online platforms where you can sell or exchange your gift cards. And once you have cash in hand, proceed to the next step. Now open the Cash App application and tap on the Balance tab. From there, you can add cash to your Cash App account using your linked bank account or debit card. Then link a debit card or bank account. If you haven't already, you will need to link your bank account or debit card to your Cash App. Follow the app's instructions to do so. Then add cash to the Cash App. Once your bank account or debit card is linked, you can add cash to your Cash App account from your linked bank account. So, transfer to Cash App. After adding cash to your Cash App account, you can use it for various transactions within the app.